Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is conspire. It's pronounced conspire, and it is spelt C-O-N-S-P-I-R-E. Think con and then spire. Conspire means to make secret plans jointly to commit an unlawful or harmful act. For example, the criminals conspired to rob another bank. The word conspire comes from the Old French conspirer, which in turn is from the Latin conspirare, meaning to agree, unite, or plot. Conspire today means to unite with others and plot to commit a bad deed. Can you see the connection? Did you know the 5th of November is a memorial of a great conspiracy dating back to 1605? In 1605, Guy Fawkes and his friends conspired to blow up Parliament in London. The basement of the Houses of Parliament had been filled with lots of gunpowder. This would have caused the buildings to explode if the gunpowder had been ignited. Luckily, Guy Fawkes and his conspirators were caught by the Royal Guards just before it was all about to happen. This is an example of a group of people conspiring against the British monarchy. Conspire is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, the students conspired to steal the test answers from their teacher's drawer. Obviously, you'd never need to do this because you're listening to the Exam Coach podcast and you know the correct answers anyway. Conspire is defined in the dictionary as make secret plans jointly to commit an unlawful or harmful act. Conspire's synonyms include plot, scheme, plan, collude, and connive. Antonyms include leave alone, neglect, and disagree. Now, I doubt you'll notice anyone conspiring today, but perhaps if your friends at school are planning to play a prank on someone or be mean, you could point out that they are conspiring together. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.